Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Robert Licop for Licop TV Vlog. Kamusta po ang lahat? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong mga kinalalagyan sa mga oras na ito. At sa anda ko mga ngayon ng mundo, mag-ingat po tayo palagi. Okay guys, what's up guys, what's up? Panibagong araw po at panibagong video po ang aking isi-share sa inyo. At sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And press the notification bell para updated po kayo sa mga bagong upload po na videos. Okay guys, ang aking pong i-share sa inyo ay aking unboxing. Mag-unboxing po tayo ngayon. Dahil ito po guys ay dumating po yung aking order na cellphone. Dahil nahirapan po ako sa aking ginagamit na cellphone dahil wala na pong space. So guys, samahan niyo po ako at mag-unboxing po tayo. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito po guys, mag-unboxing po tayo. Ito yung order ko na cellphone, Galaxy A52. Ito guys, mag-buksan po natin. Matagal ko na po in-order ito guys sa aking kaibigan. Ngayon lang dumating. Check po. Guys, ito yung laman ng box. Ito tingnan natin. Meron po pala siyang plastic case. Ayan guys, so ito yung kanyang pin. Ayan guys, ayan ang pin niya. At ito yung quick start guide niya. Ito yung warranty card. At ito na po yung cellphone unit. 64 megapixel with OIS. Water and dust resistant. So waterproof pala to siya. Ano guys, sabi nila pag ito daw ay lubog mo sa tubig hindi siya masisira kasi nga waterproof, yun nga sabi. Pero nakwento lang po sa akin ng isa kong kaibigan na yung cellphone niya ay ganito, kaya nag-order din ako dahil nagustuhan ko siya. Tsaka 128 GB. Kaya kailangan ko ng malaking space para po sa aking pag-video. And then ito po yung charger niya. Ayan guys, USB charger.
Turns the sun rays and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways and on we'll go.
Guys, ang plastic. Sticker pala siya. Yan guys, yun ang harap at ito naman yung likod. Kulay black ng color niya. Ayan guys, so antayin natin siya na mag-open. Tingnan natin. Manipis po siya.
turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Lagyan natin siya dito sa plastic case holder o cover para may protection.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Ang bilis at nag-open siya. Yan guys, yung camera niya oh. Yan. 5 yung camera.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Getting your phone ready.
We'll go
Yan guys.
through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Yung guide niya, English at saka Arabic.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls,
Siya rin maliit ang sulat, hindi ko makita.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go,
This is my first time to use Samsung Mobile.
till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on
Naglo-loading pa siya guys. Wala pala siyang glass protector, so kailangan ko pala ito siya lagyan ng screen glass protector. Wala siyang kasama. Hindi siya kasama dito sa box. May iba mayroong mga glass protector na kasama, pero ito wala. Wala siya. Get connected.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Ito guys, itong unit na to guys ay regalo ko sa sarili ko. Tsaka dahil sa nagbablog ako, kailangan ko pa ng panibagong mobile dahil kailangan ko ng more space. Ano pa, ba't hindi siya nakakunik? Yun guys. Ba't hindi pa siya nag-open?
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls,
So I need to
create a song.
skip.
I don't wanna miss a beat.
Login for the Google services. Kailangan ko maglagay ng email.
Wastelands through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Saka ko na siya mag-install yung email address ko.
We'll go
O ilagay ko yung email address ko pala.
wastelands through the highways, and on.
Ayan guys.
And we'll grow in numbers.
Yun na guys, na-open na siya.
Them to see the horizon,
Ayan siya.
thousands.
Ayan guys.
Grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Tomorrow ko na lang siya lagyan ng
Through the wastelands, through the highways,
email address.
turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Ayan guys.
Wastelands through the highways, and
So first time kong gumamit ng Samsung unit. Ito yung regalo ko sa sarili ko sa lahat ng mga pagpapagod ko. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and keep connected to my channel, and maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng mga subscribers ko. Thank you so much to all my supporters. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga viewers. Maraming salamat po.